stop them from visiting. And nakita ko yung video, but sabi nyo nga, may kompleto kayong video, that's why I'm asking you, baka naman pinapasok nyo nang hindi ko alam. Sabi mo, 2 stars sir, ako na. Ako nagdesisyon nito sir. I don't know if you use the word ako mananagot. So, simple lang question ko, did you prevent VP Sara from seeing her father? Yes or no?
Can I expound on this, sir, before I answer the yes,
Yes,
or
go
no,
ahead.
sir? Thank you, sir. Kaya ako nagpapasalamat, sir, na ma-expound yan, sir. Dahil after the first hearing, medyo marami-rami ang lumabas, sir, ng mga misinformation regarding that matter, sir. Yes, sir, I did I did deny the request of President Duterte for him to allow VP Sara to enter, sir. Kasi nga naman, sir, mag-aalas 10 na yun, sir. And that is already around 12 hours after we first got him into custody. The VP has all the chances to be with the President earlier that day. We are expecting her. Actually, sir, mga alas 3 pa lang, may information na darating siya. And kung gusto talaga nilang pumasok, sir, pwede naman, sir, eh. Kasi
Hinadlangan mo nga eh, di
Ma'am,
ba?
sinundo, ma'am, sa loob ng Villamor.
Sinabi nga ninyo na hinarang, di ba?
Yes, ma'am. Ito,
Kasi
mama,
gabi na,
I
matagal
did.
na.
I did, ma'am, I did really prevent that from the VP. I told the President that she can visit her on the detention cell in Hague. Sabi ko kung gusto niya talaga. Pero
Sabi
kasi
mo
nga naman,
makapasok, pero
ma'am,
sa kabilang
sandali, ma'am.
dako sinabi mo you prevented
let
her.
me-
Alin ba talaga?
Let me clarify, ma'am, hindi pa ako tapos, ma'am, eh.
Hindi, iba-iba
Okay,
lang yung sinasabi mo eh.
Ma'am, patapusin niyo ako kung pwede. Kung pwede, ma'am. Okay lang. Kasi, ma'am,
Madam Chair,
meron tayong,
I think the resource person is,
if you will allow me.
huh?
Sir, if you will allow me. Sir,
Yaw.
Okay, sir.
Kaya nga, but please.
eto, sir, ah. After all was being said and done, yung sasakyan ni Hanilet, sir, and 5 other vehicles, nakapasok at sinundo sila, sir. Ang eroplano nasa bukas pa ang pintuan, sir. So, yan, sir, ang isang tumayong balahibo ko nun, sir, noong panahon na nakita ko, andyan yata si VP Sara, andyan si Bongo nakapasok na. Kasi sinusundo na, sir, si Hanilet at saka si Kitty, sir, ng kanilang mga sasakyan, together with the other entourage. Bakit nila sumabay dun, sir, sa tarmac? Bukas pa naman, sir, ang pintuan.
Alam mo, Madam Chair,
Sir,
Nick,
Sir. That's a new
ibig mong
information,
sabihin
sir.
kung pwede pumasok yung si Ma'am Hanilit at saka si Kitty, gusto mo ring sabay-sabay na sila.
Sir, ganito. Hindi ko dinideny na pinrevent ko si VP Sara na pumasok based on the request of the former president.
Okay,
The reason for that,
you prevented VP Sara from entering.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Because the reason for that is that 12 hours na ang nakalipas at tapos na ang lahat ng mga delaying tactics. I cannot allow that. Otherwise,
Nick,
magiging magulo pa ang situation,
Nag-expire
sir.
pala yung karapatan ng akusado.
may expiration date pala yung karapatan ng anak na bumisita sa kanyang tatay.
Sir, we do believe, ako, sir, personally, that's my call at that time because I'm operating on the premise
So,
ng
so it's your
aking
call.
mission.
So it's your call to
Yes,
violate
sir.
the law.
Yes,
It's your call to violate the law. Dahil nakalagay sa batas, binasa ni Senator Alan Cayetano na bawal na pigilan yung anak na bumisita. So it's your call to violate the law.
hindi sa ganong context, sir.
Oo.
Anong konteksto?
Anong
Kasasabi
konteksto
mo
mo?
lang, talagang hinadlangan mo yung pagpasok eh.
Mr. President, I won't belabor the point kasi sinagot nyo naman, sir, yung tanong ko. Kasi nga, going back to Ambassador Lacanilao, that's a violation of the law. If you look at the law, it says arrested, detained, and custodial investigation. Kung arrested lang to, baka may lusot, 12 hours, 6 hours, matagal na. Pero ang nakalagay sa law kasi, you cannot deny pag arrested, detained, and custodial investigation. No if, no buts tong batas na to because nga, in the past, lalo pagka, wala pa namang internet masyado nito eh. 1992, no? Wala pa masyado yung mga, bago pa lang yung mga Ay, cellphone na ba nito or ano? But ang point, sir, there's no exceptions here. So that's a matter of defense kay General Torre.